In this video, I will show you how you can add a back button on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now this method works when an app crashes on your iPhone and the back or the home gesture does not work. But if you want a back button as on Android, this will not work as currently there is no universal back button on iOS. Now to get the button, just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Accessibility. From here, just tap on Touch, then tap on Assistive Touch. Now just enable this toggle, and after you do that, you'll enable the Assistive Touch on your iPhone. Now to set it as a back button or a home button, just tap on single tap or double tap. I will select the single tap. From here, just tap on System, and under System, just select Home. Tap on Done, and after you do that, the Assistive Touch on your iPhone will act as a home button, and it will get you back to the home screen from the app which has crashed on your iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.